The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond, Grade 9, Chapter Summary, NCERT Movements. The Adventures of Toto is a story about a monkey named Toto, bought by the narrator's grandfather. The story highlights the antics of a mischievous monkey. Happiness is a mysterious thing to be found somewhere between too little and too much. Beautifully quoted by Ruskin Bond. About the author, Ruskin Bond, born on May 19, 1934. Ruskin Bond is an award-winning Indian author of British descent, much renowned for his role in promoting children's literature in India. A prolific writer, he has written over 500 short stories, essays, and novels. His popular novel, The Blue Umbrella, was made into a Hindi film of the same name, which was awarded the National Film Award for the Best Children's Film in 2007. He is also the author of more than 50 books of children and 2 volumes of autobiography. Born as the son of a British couple when India was under colonial rule, he spent his early childhood in Jamnanagar and Shimla. His childhood was marred away by his parents' separation and his father's death. He sought solace in reading and writing and wrote one of his first short stories at the age of 16. He then moved to the UK in search of better prospects, but returned to India after some years. He earned his living by freelancing as a young man, writing short stories and poems for newspapers and magazines. A few years hence, he was approached by Penguin Books, who published several collections of his work, helping him establish as a popular author in India. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Summary: The Adventures of Toto is an amusing story written by Ruskin Bond. This story features the antics of a naughty monkey named Toto. The narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals. One day he bought a small baby monkey from a Tonga driver for a sum of ₹5. Grandfather had a collection of many animals in his private zoo, such as a tortoise, a tiny squirrel, a pair of rabbits, and a pet goat. Toto was a new addition to the group. Toto was a cute little monkey with sparkling eyes and a very mischievous behavior. He had pearl-white teeth and a long tail that served as his third hand. The narrator's grandmother was not very fond of animals, so grandfather decided to keep Toto in a secret place. He kept the baby monkey in the narrator's little closet in his bedroom and tied Toto to a peg fastened to the wall. Being a mischievous monkey, Toto created nuisance from the first day itself. He spoiled the ornamental wall, damaged the peg, and tore the narrator's blazer into pieces. Seeing all this mischief, grandfather realized that Toto was a smart animal. Soon Toto was transferred to a huge cage and kept him where the servants stayed along with grandfather's other animal who lived together amiably. But the monkey had a troublesome nature and created nuisance for the other pets. So when grandfather had to travel to Saharanpur to collect his pension, he secretly took Toto along with him. He packed the monkey in a big black canvas kit bag so that the animal could not come out of it. However, he jumped and rolled inside the bag on the floors of Dehradun railway station. However, when grandfather reached Saharanpur, Toto peeped out of the bag and smiled at the ticket collector at the railway station, who charged grandfather a fare of ₹3 for carrying a dog. Grandfather argued that Toto was not a dog, but he still paid the fare. He had his pet tortoise along with him, for which the ticket collector didn't charge anything. Finally, Toto was accepted by grandmother. Soon after that, grandfather shifted him to a comfortable place in the stable along with his family donkey Nana. But Toto would always tease Nana and they never became friends. Toto created a lot of nuisance wherever he went. He enjoyed taking hot water baths during winter. At one instance, he almost boiled himself alive when he jumped into a huge kitten kettle that was kept on the fire for making tea. When grandmother saw this, she quickly rescued and saved him from getting burnt. As days passed, Toto's mischief went on increasing when he tore clothes into pieces and broke utensils in the house. One day, Toto was having pulao from a large dish during lunchtime kept on the dining table. When grandmother saw this, she screamed and another woman came forward. Toto splashed water on the face of that woman. When grandmother came closer, Toto took the pulao plate and jumped into the branches of a jackfruit tree. He purposely threw the plate from the tree that broke it into many pieces. Meanwhile, everyone in the family was very annoyed with Toto's mischievous traits. It was becoming very difficult to manage him as his menace increased day by day. With a heavy heart, grandfather decided to give away Toto to the Tonga driver and sold him for 3 rupees only. Conclusion. The chapter The Adventures of Toto illustrates the lesson to students that one must behave responsibly in a congenial environment and should not create a nuisance and become intolerant to others. Fun facts about monkeys. There are over 260 different species of monkeys worldwide. Monkeys are divided into two groups, Old World monkeys and New World monkeys. Old World monkeys live in Africa and Asia, while New World monkeys live in South America. A crab-eating macaque is considered an Old World monkey, whereas the southern muriqui is considered a New World monkey. The mandrill is the largest monkey. Males have an average weight of 71 pounds, while the pygmy marmoset is the smallest monkey with an average weight of just 3.5 ounces. Monkeys are mostly omnivorous and eat fruit, leaves, nuts, and insects. All species of monkeys have opposable thumbs just like humans. A group of monkeys is referred to as a mission, tribe, or troop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, What's Up Genius.